In Business Central, when we're looking at a list view, sometimes it can be difficult to turn around and filter out some of the noise within the system. So you have the ability to turn around and filter by selecting the column header, choosing filter or filter to this value. For example, I would like to see every transaction that has happened on this date. I'm going to go to the header after clicking on the line, filter to this value. There are 2 transactions that happened from 2 different customers. Let's clear that filter and try another. I'd like to see all the transactions that relate to Trey. Filter to this value. There's a lot more transactions here for Trey. Now I've done that, let's clear this filter, and let's be a little bit more tricky. I'm going to filter to the value of an account number, and then I'm going to custom filter here for an amount that exceeds $6,300, just there. So the search capabilities within the system are powerful using the column-based filtering of filter to this value at the same time as mixing with the advanced filters from the filter plane enable you the capability to find what you're looking for. Don't forget that clearing your filters is important because the system will remember your filters. If you step out of posted sales invoices and come back, the filters most likely will still be in place. Thank you.